So it's crunch time. I've come up to the dam local to my house, which I've been up before and made a video of, and brought the drone with me. So let's hope we can get through today without drowning it. I haven't given it swimming lessons. So hopefully the drone will come back, I will have footage, and you should be watching this on YouTube.
Night. No, emไม่สวย Ian, sorry. Nah, Mister.
Still feel petrified flying it over water. That's silly really. I'm sure I will feel a bit more confident as things go on. Thought of dumping £1,000 in a lake doesn't exactly fill me full of enthusiasm. thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully I'm going to get a bit better with this drone, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. It does help me a lot. Thank you very much, and see you again.